You've probably heard the phrase that the United Kingdom is just an unsinkable aircraft carrier. It's often miscredited to be a Winston Churchill quote. In fact, it was from his Chief of Staff, Ismay, who called Britain an unsinkable aircraft carrier just before the D-Day invasion. But Britain really is just Airstrip 1. Following World War II, the United Kingdom owed the United States £27 billion for their help in World War II. NATO set up launch platforms on the United Kingdom, and it was a major base during the Cold War. A few weeks ago, I did a film about a smartphone app that tracks military personnel as they run around the bases and revealed the secret bases and where they were. Somebody sent me this amazing interactive map of bases in the United Kingdom. I thought I would share this with you today, and the amount of places that are underground, secret, and just not known by anybody outside the military service in the United Kingdom is staggering. Take a look at this. FLR-9 Circular Disposed Antenna Array, CDAA, also known as the Elephant Cage, at Chicksands, Bedfordshire. RAF Croughton, Brackley, Northamptonshire, Radomes. Oakhanger, SGT/F4, Radome. GCHQ Bude Communication Centre in Devon. Kinetics Land-Based Test Site, LBTS, and the Royal Navy Maritime Warfare Centre, MWC. Government Communications Centre at Hanslope Park, Buckinghamshire. MI6's Fort Monckton, IONEC. RAF Molesworth, former cruise missile bunkers. The Royal Navy Armaments Depot, RNAD, Ernesettle, near Plymouth. The Remote Ammunitioning Facility, Tamar, RAFT, Devonport, Plymouth. The Navy Nuclear Reactor Test Establishment, or NRTE, at Dounreay, near Thurso, northern Scotland. The secret M1 works only junction on a British motorway. Fort Halstead, a major military research station. ECS Technology Park. They develop anti-drone devices made popular by a recent possible attack at London Gatwick Airport. MI6 headquarters and other offices in Vauxhall, London. A not-so-secret MI6 building in Westminster. And finally, GCHQ. Actually, a hairdresser. So because of you, the truth is out there.